the Brassica does, it actually contains the sulforaphanes. They starve the cancer by cutting off the blood supply.
Dr. William Li is a pioneer in the field of food science. He has dedicated much of his career to understanding how foods can fuel and repair our bodies. He reveals in his research that certain foods have the power to fight against cancer by promoting the body's natural healing mechanisms, and one vegetable, in particular, stands out as a powerful fighter.
In my book, Eat to Beat Disease, I got it right here. Check it out. If you haven't read it, I strongly recommend it. Eat to Beat Disease. It's got a lot of stuff in here about food doses and all the different kinds of foods that can activate your health defenses to fight cancer. There's whole sections about cancer-fighting foods in there.
Cancer remains one of the top causes of death around the globe. But here's something hopeful: scientists have found that what we eat can actually make a difference. Certain foods have the power to help fight off cancer cells, strengthen our immune system, and keep our bodies healthier overall. Dr. William Li, the author of Eat to Beat Disease, has done a deep dive into these cancer-fighting foods. But a closer look at what he's discovered. This vegetable isn't just good for your health, it's a warrior against disease. It's packed with nutrients that help your body defend itself, repair damage, and even stop cancer cells from growing. So, what's the secret? The vegetable we're talking about is none other than Brassica.
Brassica is a type of vegetable. It's a class group of vegetables and contains broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy. It's a green vegetable that you can saute, common in many different types of cultures. You find it in the Mediterranean, you find it in Asia.
Brassica vegetables, often referred to as cruciferous vegetables, include popular options like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, and more. These veggies are not just packed with nutrients, but they also play a significant role in supporting our health, especially when it comes to fighting cancer and helping the body repair itself. Let's dive deeper into how Brassica vegetables help with cancer prevention and repair.
And what's actually in these Brassica vegetables are sulforaphanes. These are another natural chemical. And these sulforaphanes, what do? They boost the immune system, right? Good, strong immune system, knocks out microscopic cancers, also lowers inflammation. Inflammation is like the gasoline on a fire, making the cancer grow hotter and faster. When you actually calm inflammation, you're putting out the fire, all right? And actually that is very helpful when you want to fight cancer. The other thing that the Brassica does, it actually contains the sulforaphanes that actually are anti-angiogenic. They starve the cancer by cutting off the blood supply.
First, rich in sulforaphane. One of the most significant compounds found in Brassica vegetables, particularly in broccoli and Brussels sprouts, is sulforaphane. This compound has been widely studied for its cancer-fighting properties. Sulforaphane is believed to help protect the body from cancer in several ways. Detoxification. Sulforaphane enhances the body's natural detoxification enzymes. It activates genes that help break down potentially harmful substances, including carcinogens, which can contribute to cancer formation. Antioxidant properties. It also works as an antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that can damage cells and DNA, thus preventing mutations that could lead to cancer. Inhibition of cancer cell growth. Sulforaphane has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells by blocking the process of angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow. It also helps promote apoptosis, or programmed cell death, of damaged or abnormal cells. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is often associated with the development of cancer. Brassica vegetables, especially due to their sulforaphane content, help reduce inflammation in the body. Second, supports the immune system. Brassica vegetables boost the immune system, which plays a critical role in preventing cancer and aiding the body's natural repair processes. Compounds like glucosinolates, which are also abundant in brassicas, can be converted into bioactive molecules, like isothiocyanates, that help regulate immune function and fight inflammation. The immune system is crucial for identifying and destroying abnormal or cancerous cells. By supporting immune cell activity, Brassica vegetables can help the body better defend itself against the growth of cancerous cells. Third, DNA repair and protection. These vegetables are full of essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber, all of which support DNA repair and prevent mutations. Since DNA damage is often the first step in cancer development, consuming foods that help repair DNA is vital. Additionally, the fiber in brassicas promotes digestion and helps eliminate toxins from the body, which can reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Fourth, repairing the body. Brassica vegetables are not only crucial for fighting cancer, but they also aid in repairing the body in general. The nutrients they provide help maintain and repair damaged tissues and organs. Vitamin C. This antioxidant vitamin helps with collagen synthesis, aiding in the repair of tissues, including the skin, cartilage, and blood vessels. Fiber supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels, both essential for body repair. Sulforaphane. In addition to its anti-cancer properties, sulforaphane helps reduce oxidative stress, promoting overall healing and tissue regeneration.
And this has also been shown with broccoli, for example. Now, here's something really interesting. This is a pro tip. Grown-up broccoli is not just the treetops. That's what we used to always eat when I was a kid. Your mom always told you, eat those treetops. Okay, and the treetops do have the sulforaphanes, but it turns out that the stalk, the long stem of a broccoli is actually mostly a stem. It's like a whole tree with some treetops on it. The treetops have the sulforaphane, but the stalk has twice as much of the good stuff. So if you're actually cooking broccoli, cook the treetops, the florets is what they call them, but also save that stem. If you slice it on a diagonal and saute it, absolutely delicious. You'll find it in a lot of Asian dishes that way. If you don't want to saute it, you can actually just put it into a food processor and make a broccoli soup. You want to add a little oregano in there. It really makes a broccoli oregano soup is actually absolutely delicious. I actually included that broccoli oregano soup recipe in my book, Eat to Beat Disease, if you're actually interested in it. Okay, so broccoli, cancer fighting.
Broccoli is a powerhouse vegetable packed with health benefits, especially when it comes to cancer prevention and body repair. One of its most important compounds, sulforaphane, has been extensively researched for its ability to fight cancer. It works by boosting the body's detox processes, helping break down harmful substances, including potential carcinogens. Sulforaphane also acts as a strong antioxidant, protecting cells and DNA from damage that could lead to cancer, causing mutations. But the benefits of broccoli don't stop there. It's also rich in vitamins C, K, folate, and fiber, all of which are essential for maintaining and repairing healthy DNA. Since DNA damage is a common starting point for cancer, eating foods like broccoli that support DNA repair can significantly reduce the risk. Broccoli also strengthens the immune system. It contains glucosinolates, which the body turns into powerful compounds that help regulate immune function and reduce inflammation. This helps the body better defend itself against cancer cells. On top of fighting cancer, broccoli helps repair and maintain the body. Its vitamin C aids in collagen production, essential for tissue healing, while the fiber supports digestion and helps eliminate toxins. Including broccoli in your diet is an easy and effective way to boost your health, prevent cancer, and support overall healing. Let's see another key brassica vegetables and their benefits. Brussels sprouts. Rich in glucosinolates, they provide similar benefits as broccoli and are great for boosting detoxification. Cabbage contains a variety of antioxidants and fiber, helping with digestion and cellular repair. Kale, packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, it supports immune health and repair mechanisms. Cauliflower. Like other brassicas, cauliflower contains compounds that help detoxify the body and prevent cancer. How to maximize the benefits of brassica vegetables. Cook them lightly. Steaming brassicas preserves their beneficial compounds. Overcooking can destroy some of the essential nutrients. Pair with healthy fats. Sulforaphane and other nutrients are better absorbed when paired with healthy fats, like olive oil or avocado. Eat a variety. Incorporating different brassica vegetables into your diet ensures a broad spectrum of health benefits. Remember, no single food can work miracles on its own. but adding these nutrient-packed options to your diet can help strengthen your body's natural defenses. If you're receiving treatment or have specific health concerns, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider for advice tailored to you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment telling us about your favorite healthy recipe or your thoughts on using food for healing. For more tips on making everyday choices that lead to a healthier lifestyle, be sure to subscribe and explore our other videos. Until next time, stay healthy and keep thriving.